How to sign in into your homedepot.com MyCard account. Hey guys, let's get started. If you are watching out to the sign in option in order to log in into Home Depot credit card, click on any of your browser or Google and then search for Home Depot credit card. Tap on the first link which is provided by citi.com for the Home Depot credit card. Once you tap on it, it'll land you to another page from where you can log in or sign up. For this, you have to provide two of the credentials, which is user ID and the password. In order to avoid the problems for login time to time, you can click on Remember My User ID and then give the password and tap on Sign On to get logged in. If you do not remember your user ID, you just can retrieve it by tapping on the link. This might ask you to register or verify your account, which requires additional information such as card number, name as it appears on your card, your security code, and last four digits of the SSN, which is Social Security Number. Once this is verified, you should be able to retrieve your account. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.